I got it.
Okay.
Well, hi. Well, thank you very much. Have a blessed day. Lynn, you have a package.
It's for me?
It's a box.
Oh, you know what that's gotta be. It's gotta be my books.
Yep, I think so.
Oh, wow. Oh, I have scissors here. Here. Let's open it. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Paper. Paper.
Congratulations.
Wendy Whispers. After all those years of work, look at it.
Yep, very good. Great
I have
job.
a little book, but I can't wait to see what it looks like inside.
Looks nice. Great job, Lynn. Congratulations, dear.
Oh, wow.